Welcome to ETHeREAL, where we keep it real. This is going to be your July 9th update of the most important news up until now for Ethereum. These videos are going to be quick and to the point, so it's not wasting your time. We're going to have a little bit of technical analysis at the end, so let's jump right into it. The first most important thing to consider on this day, July 9th, is that liquidity supply is drying up on exchanges. Exchange held ETH balances are hitting multi-year lows today, and staking has climbed to a record high. This impact is going to be huge. There's going to be fewer coins available to trade, and there's going to be more ETH locked in on staking. So any sort of fresh demand or purchasing power that comes into the space could potentially mean a super sharp price surge for Ethereum, which is why timing is the most important thing, and that's why I bring you these videos as soon as I can. Looking on my screen here, we can see that staking on Ethereum has only skyrocketed since back to 2021, and this doesn't even tell the full story. As institutions start getting into the space, you're going to see this graph skyrocket even more. So make sure you keep an eye on this and you familiarize yourself with it. The second most important thing to keep an eye on, specifically today, July 9th, 2025 for Ethereum, is that the price hike today is at a multi-week high. Ethereum rallied 6% today to 2,760. It actually pushed 2,780 right now, as you can see on my screen, and it's kind of cooling off now that we're hitting the end part of the day, but this is the strongest level Ethereum's been at in nearly a month. The impact this has is that signals are going to renew bullish momentum, and investor confidence is going to quickly turn around as technical analysis starts to turn positive, as everybody who's looking at this space closely are going to start seeing very, very upside potential. Lastly, the most important thing to keep an eye on specifically from today is an official SEC green light check on spot-ETH ETF. Today, the SEC officially acknowledged Bitwise's amended filing for physical redemptions in its proposed spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Although there's no approval yet, this is a key procedural step. You got to realize the impact this has is that it paves the way for US spot ETF for ETH specifically and Bitcoin. This could potentially unlock massive institutional inflows once fully approved. And you can see on my screen here, this is the official filing, and this was first proposed on June 30th. It was now officially acknowledged on July 9th, time of making this video. So things are moving very quickly. You do not want to get left behind. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of technical analysis for today, July 9th, 2025 for Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum again has been reaching local highs very closely. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, and you can see the movement is very, very strong. What we want to see here moving forward, obviously, is a push through this local high of 2880, which was set right around the about a month ago when this all-time high was set. As you can see here, 2880 was set on June 11th, and today on July 9th, we're getting super close to these levels. I would not be surprised if tomorrow on July 10th we make a serious push towards this 2880 local all-time high, and from there the possibilities start getting a little exciting. We do have some resistance here around 3100, 3k, even up to 3200, but considering ETH has been kind of lagging behind the past few months and since the election, we can only see a positive momentum here as it bottomed out at 1300 back in April 12th. So you cannot deny this momentum is very strong, and as positive news start to come out, it's only going to make a better case for ETH. I make these videos every day and give you a quick, short synopsis of latest news, most important things to keep in mind for Ethereum, as well as a very quick and concise technical analysis, not to drown you with charts or word salads. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for future daily updates around Ethereum as I try to front run this absolutely historic momentum that we're going to see coming up. Don't get left behind. Thanks for watching. Remember, ETHeREAL, keep it real.